Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of home decor and crafting. From DIY projects to expert tips, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, join us on this creative journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Your encouragement helps us keep creating engaging content that inspires and delights. Wooden decor has been a staple in interior design for centuries, appreciated for its natural beauty, warmth, and versatility. From rustic to modern styles, wood can enhance the aesthetic of any space. This decor can range from furniture and wall art to small accessories, each bringing a unique touch to home design. Here is the types of wooden doors. Rustic wooden decor. Rustic wooden decor embraces a natural, earthy aesthetic. Typically made from reclaimed wood, this style often features rough textures and a weathered appearance. Items such as barn doors, wooden beams, and handcrafted furniture embody rustic charm. Accessories like wooden bowls or candle holders can add warmth to a space, making it feel inviting and cozy. Modern wooden decor. In contrast to rustic styles, modern wooden decor emphasizes clean lines and minimalism. This style often uses lighter woods, such as birch or maple, and showcases smooth finishes. Furniture pieces like sleek coffee tables or minimalist shelving units fit well in contemporary settings. Geometric wooden wall art and sculptures can serve as striking focal points in a modern home. Scandinavian wooden decor. Scandinavian design is known for its simplicity and functionality, with an emphasis on natural materials. Wooden decor in this style often includes light-colored woods, which help create a bright and airy atmosphere. Items like wooden dining tables, chairs, and minimalist shelving contribute to the clean aesthetic, while also being practical and durable. Bohemian wooden decor. Bohemian decor is all about creativity and individuality. Wooden elements in this style often feature intricate carvings, vibrant colors, and a mix of textures. Furniture pieces like carved wooden coffee tables or colorful wooden stools can add character to a boho space. Additionally, wooden wall hangings or macrame with wooden beads create a harmonious blend of materials. Coastal wooden decor. Coastal decor evokes a relaxed, beach-inspired vibe. Wooden elements are often painted in light, airy colors such as whites and pastels, or left in their natural state to reflect weathered driftwood. Items like wooden surfboards, beachy wall art, and light wooden furniture bring a sense of calm and tranquility, reminiscent of seaside living. Traditional wooden decor. Traditional wooden decor reflects classic craftsmanship and timeless designs. Darker woods like mahogany or cherry are commonly used in furniture, showcasing rich colors and intricate details. Items such as ornate wooden cabinets, antique tables, and decorative moldings can add a sense of history and elegance to a home, often serving as statement pieces. Industrial wooden decor. The industrial style combines raw materials with a rugged aesthetic, often featuring metal and wood together. Wooden decor in this style typically includes reclaimed wood shelves, dining tables, and accent pieces with a distressed finish. The juxtaposition of wood and metal creates a bold look that is both functional and stylish, ideal for urban settings. Eco-friendly wooden decor. Sustainability has become a key consideration in modern decor choices. Eco-friendly wooden decor focuses on using sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood. Products made from bamboo, for instance, are gaining popularity due to their rapid growth and renewability. This type of decor not only reduces environmental impact, but also offers unique aesthetics, often highlighting the natural grain and texture of the wood.
Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?